Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to download Telegram for your laptop. So, without further ado, let's jump into it. So you're going to jump into whatever browser you prefer to use, and we're going to go into the search bar, and here we're going to type in Telegram download. And it would most likely be the very first result, and it says Telegram desktop. We want to go in here, and from here you can see it says get Telegram for Windows x64, and this basically auto detects your system and it downloads the appropriate version of Telegram for you. So as you can see, it started downloading and it's just about 40 meg, and once it's done you can go ahead and click on the exe file that has just been downloaded. We can now select our preferred language as well as where we would like the Telegram app and all of its files and folders to be stored. And here we want to go ahead and select the start menu folder. So we're just going to say next, and we can have a desktop shortcut created. We can say next, and here we're going to click on install. Telegram is now downloaded. We have the option to launch Telegram right now. We're going to say finish and launch it. We're going to go ahead and click on start messaging. And if you have the mobile app, you can go ahead and scan the QR code over here and you'll automatically sync your account. Or you can just go log in using your phone number. You can click on that, enter in your phone number, click on next, and you will now be logged in. Now, if this was a helpful guide, please go ahead, drop us a like, give us a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and we'll see you next time, people. Peace out.